La Brit from the Sport Hotel. Here I paid 20 euros for a huge and very nice double room. Wow, 20 euros. We are in Liepaja on the Baltic Sea. Liepaja was a closed Soviet city until the 1990s. And this because Liepaja during the Soviet times was a very important military base on the Baltic Sea. There were secrets about the military Soviet strategy, Soviet weapons. People here are very polite. She's a woman, huh? Hey, testify. Stay. So the bus didn't stop. I don't know why. It's not a good start. I was talking well about local people, how polite they are, and then the bus driver, he just didn't like me. It might be because I already took the same bus kind of 4 times, and I never paid for the ticket. So probably the driver recognized me. So I have to walk like a moron in a nearly desert city on a Sunday, on an holiday day, because the bus driver didn't stop. I'm wondering if I will find a supermarket to grab something to eat and a restaurant, because I need to have lunch. So we can ask 2 people on the way. I don't want to ask only to pretty girls, okay? I promise that this time I will ask to anyone but pretty girls, okay? Excuse me, can you tell me if the supermarket today are open?
Sorry, what?
The supermarket are open today?
I think so.
Think so, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe in the center I find them, right?
Yeah.
We are in the main pedestrian in the center. As you can see, today is empty. Excuse me, I'm making a little documentary about Liepaja.
Yeah?
You are from here?
Yeah.
Can you tell me something very short about the city? It's like a nice city in the winter. How is it? Like desert or not?
It's really nice in the summer.
Okay.
Yeah, because like now it's getting warmer.
Okay.
And so it's getting nicer and nicer every day. But in the summer it's like the best.
Is it, okay, I understand. It was a closed city until 1990. Is true that?
Well, not like the whole city, but one neighborhood, which
Okay.
is across the Green Bridge, which is called Kalpaka Bridge.
Okay.
Vlogging?
Vlogging, YouTube. You live in Liepaja?
Yes.
Good city, nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
You do it for YouTube?
Italia, YouTube.
YouTube? What's
Yeah.
your YouTube channel?
Danny Kiko. Put subscribe. Ciao. This is the main square. Many babushkas sitting on the benches, enjoying this very nice day, the sunny days in Liepaja. So now we're gonna have a tour of the babushkas. Babushka tour. How did you like the babushka tour? So now we're gonna jump on a tram and we go in a suburb. So we will see what's going on there. Okay, we are at the end of the ride. Here we are in a suburb. It's an industrial area, and you see the tram is doing a U-turn to go back in the center. So this was the last stop. I don't have idea if this place is inhabited, because look, this one looks abandoned, you know? Maybe I went too far. Oh, there are some people there. I think they are kids. I hope they won't steal my camera, because you know, kids usually... Excuse me guys, do you live in this area? No? Okay, alright. Look at this. I'm pretty sure people live here, yes, because you see the curtain. People live here, but I don't want to knock at the door. I mean, there is a lock here. No, probably nobody lives there, I think. Oh yeah, we have a very nice and sweet babushka. Maybe I can ask her, but my Russian is very limited. Здравствуйте. Я турист итальянский. Итальянский турист. She couldn't care less. Rightly. What's that?
Amber.
Amber?
Big amber, yes.
Ah, that one.
Yeah, there is the sea.
The concert hall.
Yes.
You are from here, yes?
Yes, yes.
And here in the summer, many people.
Yes, very a lot, yes.
Tourists from Latvia and Russia.
Everywhere. From Albania.
Excuse me. The old town.
Pardon?
Old town. Like yeah. Is this one or is?
It's someone right over there. That's the old town. Yeah, you're right.
Marshall. Excuse me. This is the old town. The old town is this one.
Yeah, I guess that one counts.
Is that one?
Yeah.
Huh? What's the best place to visit?
That would be that way to the seaside more.
Ah, to the seaside.
Yeah, there
okay.
is like this Art Nouveau, like that kind of buildings and stuff. Yeah, that's beautiful. To the sea more.
All right. So in that direction.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Maybe I'll take a look. Excuse me, what's the best area of Liepaja? I'm making a little
I
video.
think you should go maybe near the beach more.
Ah, near the beach is that way? Down there? Or?
No, you should go just like straight.
Okay.
And to the right.
Ah, okay. And there's a nice
You
area.
can Google beach park or Liepaja beach park, and there's
Okay.
like a promenade and some cafes. So
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
or you can go straight and then to the left. And there will be monuments of sailor's mother who is
Okay.
watching where are the
the
children.
sailors going there.
Nice. Beach park. I will go there, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
enjoy.
I could go on forever filming these wooden houses. It would be interesting to know if someone can buy them, renovate them. That would be a great business. I mean, I'm pretty sure somebody have already thought about it. Here we have old architecture next to new architecture. Hello. Everybody's happy in this beach. So I was thinking to come in a desert, an abandoned former Soviet city, but I ended up in a cheerful and quite busy and crowded coastal town. A lot of things going on even now, and this is great.